I gotta put my hoodie on for this one. It's hoodie season, but I can't wait for the springtime. This is my hoodie season hoodie, my hoodie thing I got going on for this release. Please check this release out. Check this colorway out. You're going to like it. You probably see it in the title, but you're going to like it. This is LD Kickshaw. Check me out. Lego.
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention.
Yeah, what's the deal, good people? It's your boy, your big homie Kicks God, back in the building. I got this joint right here, and when I saw them, they actually dropped on, they premiered or previewed on the Kicks app, like, get ready, these are dropping soon. So I was like, yo, that colorway is fire. 50 flame emojis. I really like this sneaker. You already know the silhouette. This is an Air Max 1. The colorway was just like crazy. At first I thought that it was a woman's sneaker. Why am I spiking? Bring that down. Anyway, come to find out, this was actually a men's sneaker. Obviously, women can pick this up. It is what it is. But I was really feeling this colorway. This is a summertime all the way colorway. Like, you couldn't get more summertime, springtime-ish. I think I'm going to finesse these for Easter. I think this is my Easter footwear this year. You probably seen a couple of other episodes where I finessed the navy or dark blue or a dark obsidians and the red ones to this model. So I'm not going to go over the silhouette. I will point out on parts of the silhouette, like right along here, how they went with that aqua, but my focus is on the upper. They went with that aqua all the way around. You see it. Part of that gray upper is typical. It's the same. They didn't do anything with it, but it's the aqua that makes this sneaker pop. So Nike check and aqua, Nike Air and that grape and aqua check right up in there. Bam. The back has the grape colorway or that grape purple, whatever, Concord, whatever you want to call it, upper. Everything else remains the same. Very simple, very minimalist, but very dope all at the same time. I was just so fascinated with this colorway. I thought it was really dope. It's still, I think, on Nike.com, and it's still on the sneaker apps. Don't hold me to it, because once you purchase the sneaker, it forever says purchased, but it doesn't say, I can't go beyond that to see if there's still a full size run or if it's still sizes available or what have you. It just says purchased. This sneaker did feature in sneaker boutiques. It didn't drop on Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champ Sports. It is only seemingly exclusive to sneaker boutiques and Nike.com and the sneakers app. Just a fantastic job they did with this sneaker, again with the colorway. I'm looking forward to getting these on feet. Did you cop? Do you like this colorway? I really dig this colorway. You already know the fit. Very, very comfortable this sneaker is. Thumbs up if you're digging this video. Subscribe if you have not already. The bell is there for a reason. Hit it, let you know when we drop more sneaker vids. It's your boy Kicks God. I'm out of here. Peace.
Well, I guess, and the reason we started Lifestyles Defined is because if we weren't on camera arguing about these things, the technologies, the phones, the iPhones, the Androids, the cameras, the games, we'd be on the phone arguing about it. We'd be in each other's houses arguing about it. So why not just put it in front of a camera for everyone to enjoy it the way we do? That's what Lifestyles Defined is all about. We just